Okay, I got my car of the day. Ooh la la. Some proper DTM stuff. Ooh. Look at this. Welcome to the Nürburgring GP track and to another vlog. Lots of cool cars today because it is gear collector track day. So, hello! Let's go check out some cool cars. I mean, there we have the, I think it's like an 812 or something and CSL. That's all cool, but look at this. Opel Manta. Yeah, fantastic, fabulous. And it's also for sale. Yeah, I mean, you definitely should put your 720 or 765 or something on Opel Manta. Oh, look at that, air jacks. Very nice. Cup car than it is, I guess. Ooh. They are very rare. SLS GT3, there's significantly less of them made than current AMG GT3. So yeah, very collectible item. And then lots of more cars. Let's see what we're gonna find today. That's a car close to my heart. Ooh, even better.
What is that?
There, I think it's a SL 65 Black Series, probably. Yes, SL 65 Black Series. No. I know. I'm of the same opinion. Back when I was growing up in the Netherlands, dad of a friend of mine borrowed one from his friend in Germany. And after 2 days, he got stopped over by not the police, but someone has to do with tax. And they said, it's not your car, it's too expensive for the Netherlands, you need to go away or we're gonna fine you €500,000. And another note, look at that, it's a 917. Okay, I got my car of the day. That's it, we can go home. Nothing will match that. Ever. Never. That's goals. Just an Evo, looks like it. A roof. Another SLS GT3, and then another AMG over here. Pagani Huayra with lots of aero on it, so I guess it's like BC or something with the engine. Yep, that's a BC. Because car. Did you find anything nice?
Yes, the black one.
What?
One,
The black sea, the SLS.
Yes.
Sexy. BS Miller behind the wheel. Ah, what's that? Mechatronic car. Ooh la la. That's some proper DTM stuff. Oh, completely random. That's absolutely next level. When we retire.
When we retire.
Yeah, we're gonna just vibe in this. We just need like 2 extra seats for Pancake and Mimi.
No, we're gonna vibe without them.
Okay, okay.
It's gonna be too hairy.
Yeah. MG1 of Gear Collector, MG1 of someone else, KTM, GT2 or GTX. Actually driving KTM in a few days. MG1 is all cool and stuff, but nothing beats the excitement of the F40. Oh, that sounded... Did he break it? Oops. I don't want to be that guy. Ah, Koenigsegg. And also the 850R. Sorry, CC 850. Love that car. Very nice. Oh, look at that. That's the Mantai 25. Basically a GT2 RS Mark Club Sport, but made for a GT2 RS Club Sports 25 years of Manta Racing celebration. How kind of you! Thank you so much! Everything is still in plastic. All brand new. Yeah, that's nice. Proper collector's item. Thank you so much! I wonder what kind of car Vulcan Alpha is gonna build for its 25-year anniversary. Well, we're gonna build for 1-year anniversary. Let's start with that.
Say, like, why you looking that far away?
Something cool, but hello, more Koenigseggs and also a Countach.
This one is nice.
Yeah, Countach. Gumpert Apollo. Look at this. And a Pagani Huayra, something very extreme. Yes, really nice. Senna, haven't seen one in a while, actually, funny enough. Then a 918 Spider, still timeless. GTR of ticked performance with some double fancy wing. Dark Horse, love it, love it, love it. That. Wow. Would that be an original? Another KTM. Crossbow. RH83. TCR car. GT3 RS and SSL Performance GT3 RS that we've driven a few weeks back. What's that? I think some racing Lambo. Oh look, Praga, Bohemia. Looks nice. Oh, that's how you get in the car. Very practical. Big wing. Love the infinity wing setup on this. Some extra aero. Is that a Club Sport car? Yeah, it's a full slick, so it's, yeah, that makes sense. GT2 RS Club Sport. And the Black Series, very black. GoPros are being installed in the AMG 1. The engine is being preheated. Actually, it's not even the engine, it's the catalytic converter that's being preheated because there's no exhaust coming out. I think. Some bit, a tiny bit. Some more very fancy cars here. We have the GT2. Oh no, it's an upped car, so it's the XGT, the street legal GT2 version of the Audi R8. Very, very cool. A Valkyrie, of course, just random. And just another KTM with a very nice color. I like the mintiness. Panigale V4, is that the new one? I don't know, I'm not that much into bikes. I just know that the new Panigale has been released and a lot of people were criticizing it that it's much worse design than the previous one, but yeah, I don't know. Fast forward, we're back at Vulcan Alpha. You had fun?
Yes.
Yes.
That was good.
We were too late for having food because we got there at 2 o'clock, so most of the cool stuff was already unfortunately sold out.
But we got 2 snacks.
We got 2 snacks. Snacks are very good, yes, definitely. Massive thank you to Gear Collector for inviting us over. We had some fun checking out cool cars, meeting some old friends, old faces, some influential for our life, but not influential for camera, for you to include. So it was actually nice to see those people in one place. And great cars, of course, and good food that we got. Tiny bit of snack. So on to the next one. Give a bit of a car spotting vibe from back in the days. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. No driving because this is not a driving channel. To be honest, I enjoy having a bit of break with my Maggie. So, see you. Bye.